Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. My dear friends, I apologize for not bringing videos for last 2 days because I was not well. I was down with fever. I'm better now. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD. But first of all, the Forex sentiment meter. So this is the Forex sentiment meter, and here is our favorite GBP USD. So you can clearly see that 14% retail traders have taken short position or are in short position, and 85% retail traders have taken long position. So 85% retail traders were thinking or hoping that market would be going up, whereas only 14% retail traders were thinking or hoping that market would be going down. And after the CPI report yesterday, we all know that US dollar became extremely bullish, whereas we saw heavy selling on GBP USD and Euro USD. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and you can see the present condition of GBP USD. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to understand the trend of the market. In this selling, okay, most of the retail traders were in the long position. They had buy position. As a result, they have lost their money, and this is the main reason why 90% traders lose money each and every day. Okay, so let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD and what are the next trading opportunities for us. So first of all, let's try to understand the trend. Okay, what is the trend here? There should not be any doubt that market is under the heavy dominance of sellers. Okay, you can clearly see that market is under the heavy dominance of sellers. It means that sellers are dominating, and in this type of market, whenever sellers are dominating a market, we should mainly be looking for selling opportunities, because the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. Trend is your friend. It means that if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So we have understood that right now it is safe for us to look for selling opportunities, and the next question is, where should we sell then? In the downtrend market, yes, always keep in mind, in the downtrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance, whereas in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. This market is in downtrend, therefore the area of value or the best trading opportunity will also be near the resistance. Okay, and you can see that right now we do not have any proper resistance here in the form of horizontal lines. Okay, but yes, we can draw a trend line here like this, because this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, but right now you can see market is trading here at 1.3419, and I have mentioned here that this is the last support. Things are about to get complicated. Please watch the video carefully. Okay, so after this huge fall in the market took support at the last level of 1.3410. This was the last level for the market, and you can see that market is trying to recover from this particular level here. But if I zoom in the chart, you can clearly see that yes, market has taken support, but market does not have the required strength. Try to understand the market emotion here. Try to understand the market psychology here. Yes, market is trying to take support, but do you think that market has the strength to go up? No, market do not have the strength right now to go up. As a result, taking a buy, yes, according to our general understanding, buy at support, sell at resistance. But right now, this is not the ideal position to take a buy, at least right now. After a couple of hours, if we see market bouncing well, market forms a good green candle, then that's a different chapter. We can go for buy. But right now, in this present condition, this is not at all an ideal position, because if there are 100 traders trading in the market, at least 90, yes, at least 90 traders are on the sell side. So this is not at all a good position to buy. Then where should we trade then? Remember, I told you that in a downtrend market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities and at the resistance area of value is at the resistance. So we have one resistance in front of us, and that is this trend line. Yes, this trend line, you can see that has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So whenever market was trying to go up previously, it failed to cross the trend line. So if market tries to recover also, and if market reverses from this trend line, you can take a sell position at the trend line. That can be a trading opportunity or your first trading opportunity. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, will be your first trading opportunity. Or on the other hand, if market goes up and fails to reach the trend line and reverses from this level only, the Fibonacci retracement level, you can see that at around 1.3, sorry, let me draw a line here and check. So what is the level? Okay, the level is 1.3500. Yes. So if market goes up and reverses from 1.3500 level also, we can take a sell position here also. That is, this is our second trading opportunity. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses from 1.3500, we can take a sell position. On the other hand, if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, again we can take a sell position. Okay, but on the other hand, let's assume that market fails to go up and drops below. Okay, starts going down from here, market slips below the last support, market breaks the last support, then also we can take a sell position here, because see, selling pressure is extremely high. If market breaks the level and starts going down further, we should not be surprised, because yes, the possibility is quite high. And if I take you to the chart of DXY US dollar, you can see that US dollar is extremely bullish after the CPI report yesterday. And as we all know, when dollar goes up, we generally see GBP USD going down. So if dollar gets bullish again, starts going up from here again, obviously GBP USD will break the support and starts going down again. So my dear friends, trade wisely, trade properly, and please keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar and always use stop loss. Okay, and my dear friends, I have recently launched a signal service. Yes, the Pro Trader program is back with the signal service. Previously I just used to share the best trading opportunities. Now I share live signals as well, not many, one or two. Okay, but if you want to know more about it, you can just go to my website abhilashhajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information here. Okay, and most importantly, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, therefore do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.